Hello there. So you want to know how you can create a DoorDash account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store depending on whatever device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for DoorDash. Once you've done that, simply click on this application right over here. Click on, oh, this is the Uber Eats. That was a mistake. Click on the DoorDash. Click on Get icon. It's going to ask you to verify yourself. Once you verify yourself, it's going to start downloading and installing onto your device. Once it is downloaded and installed onto your device, simply go ahead and tap on Open. And now this is where you are going to be creating an account. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your phone number and click on continue. They're going to ask you to create a password and also send a verification code to your mobile number, or you could just go ahead and use email instead. It's the same process. All you need to do is enter that verification code back into the application and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll